Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing a simple hair tutorial. So first off, I'll just be slicking down my hair into a bun. I've already done this in a previous video, so I'll link it in the description and leave it in the cards above so you can check it out. So I'm just going to be using hair gel because my hair is washed and I've applied leave-in conditioner, so just using hair gel and my brush with some bands to tie the hair. The hair I'll be using is this darling hair. So after taking the hair out of the pack, I just divided it into two bundles. So I'll wrap a rubber band around it, then place it on my head. So now I'll be using the second bundle, wrapping it again with a rubber band, then I'll place it on my head. I'll just try to secure it on my little bun over there.
It's been a year since we last talked, but now you're hitting me up, telling me that it's been too long.
So there we go. This is the first hairstyle. Yeah, a long, kinky looking ponytail. Tell me what you think.
You were on your phone the whole time. What was up with that? 'Cause if you wanted me, talk to me. Don't be hiding behind your screen. I got too much stuff to do for you to be so rude. Said you like real conversation, but you don't know how to make them. From my point of view, I don't see how this is fun for you. Said that you had a good time, you wanna do it again. Don't know why I texted back. I guess that I'll see you then. Well, now I'm waiting for you here, yeah. When you call up my phone, say you're sorry you forgot and left me on my own. But you're the one who wanted my time. What is up with that? 'Cause if you wanted me, talk to me. Don't be hiding behind your screen. I got too much stuff to do for you to be so rude.
Now I'm trying to do the bubble ponytail. Basically I'll be tying rubber bands on the hair. Just watch what you understand what I'm trying to do.
This was so fun, quote by no one. I think we're done anyway. This was so fun, quote by no one. I think we're done anyway. 'Cause if you wanted me, talk to me. Don't be hiding behind your screen. I got too much stuff to do for you to be so rude. Said you like real conversation, but you don't know how to make them. From my point of view, well, I don't see how this is fun for you. Tell me, is it fun? Is it fun? Tell me, is it fun? Is it fun?
So you can see how the bubble ponytail is turning out. So you just keep adding rubber bands to it, like create a space, try and make it a bit round so it looks like this. This is the final result of the bubble ponytail. Tell me what you think. So do you prefer this to the first style, and would you be trying this ponytail out? So now for the last tutorial, we'll be doing a braided ponytail. So basically I'm just trying to part the hair into 3 sections that I'll be using to braid the hair. So just watch and learn. Done braiding now, and I'll just be attaching this gold ribbon thing to give it a different look.
No wonder why you be asking if I'm the one for you. I see the stars in your eyes when I look into it. You're so amazing, girl. I picture you so perfect in me. I'm gonna write epistles, no, not epistles. I mean your attributes and the way your body move. Maybe an article, posing it up like a script. I'm loving the role you play. Can I call you baby boo?
Oh boy, you're my right hand. Show me love. Tell me you're the only one.
All done. So this is my braided ponytail. This is my first time also trying this out. Tell me what you think.
Different continent, I packed a bag in confidence. I didn't come for compliments, I'm not. A couple decades working late, 100 no's, 100 fails. That's what it takes to elevate someone.
So this brings us to the end of today's hair tutorial. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Comment down in the comment section which out of the 3 you prefer, which you will be trying out, and what you would like about this video. If you have any other hair tutorial suggestions, you can leave them down in the comment section. Subscribe, tell a friend about this channel. Thank you. Bye.